We're going to explain how to insert models using BTools. 1. First, you need to have your 3D model ready. Make sure it's in a format BTools supports, such as FBX or OBJ. 2. Next, open BTools and create a new project, or open an existing one where you want to add the model. 3. Now, locate the Import or Add Model option within BTools. This button might be in the File menu or a toolbar. Click it. 4. A file browser window will pop up. Navigate to the location where you saved your 3D model file. 5. Select your model file and click Open or the equivalent button. BTools will then import the model into your current project. 6. Once imported, you'll see your model appear in the viewport. You can now start positioning it. 7. To move the model, look for the standard translation tools, often represented by arrows. Click and drag on these tools to reposition your model. You might have options to move it along specific axes, X, Y, Z, for more precise placement. 8. To rotate the model, use the rotation tools, often circles with arrows. Click and drag to rotate the model around different axes. 9. For scaling, look for the scaling tools, usually boxes or squares with arrows from the corners. Click and drag to adjust the size of your model. 10. Many BTools programs offer a transform panel or similar where you can input precise numerical values for position, rotation, and scale. This is useful for fine-tuning placement. 11. After positioning your model correctly, don't forget to save your project to avoid losing your work. 12. Remember that the exact steps and button locations might vary slightly depending on the specific version of BTools you're using, so refer to the software's documentation or help files if you encounter any difficulties. 13. If your model has multiple parts or components, some BTools might allow you to manipulate individual parts after importing, giving you extra control. 14. If you encounter errors during the import process, ensure your model file is not corrupted and that it's in a supported file format. 15. Practice importing different models to get comfortable with the process. Experiment with the positioning, rotation, and scaling tools to perfect the placement of